Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's discuss about disability in children. There are 7 types of child disorders. First is anxiety, second depression, number 3 attention deficit hyperactivity disorder ADHD, number 4 conduct disorder, number 5 autism spectrum disorder, number 6 intellectual disability, number 7 dyslexia. Let's discuss about anxiety in children. Anxiety is a reaction of stress. So, if the kid feels stressed, they react in aggression, they react while weeping and crying. So, it can alert us and it can show the danger level of the kid's mental health. Anxiety and anxiety disorder. These are two different things. Anxiety disorder differ from the normal feeling of nervousness and anxiousness. It involves excessive fear and anxiety. Now there are some reasons of anxiety in children. It can be in any age of the kid, like it can be in toddlers, in the younger babies, and it's also from 6 to above ages. So let's discuss the reasons. Having extreme fears about specific things like their mothers go far away from them and they feel trouble in sleeping, so they can get stress in daytime because they wouldn't feel a good sleep at the night time. They feel sadness, hopelessness. Kids cannot speak properly and convey their heart message properly sometimes, and the parents cannot understand what is he or she actually saying. So the kids feel hopelessness and sadness. It also causes anxiety. If the kid feel tired and overburdened, they also feel stressed. Every problem has solution. So now come towards the solution of anxiety in children. First is talk to healthcare provider. And it's you. A mother is a healthcare provider of a kid. If she doesn't know about the much information, she can consult to a consultant for better therapy and go towards the behavior therapy. You can see the YouTube videos about behavior therapy. You can consult a child consultant for it. Check their diet habits. If kids is used to about junk food, then it also can be a reason of the anxiety. So give them a healthy diet and a natural diet. Do some physical exercises with your kids and improve the family bonding, especially a mother bonding with your kid. Now, second one is depression in children. Depression is natural in children and adults when they experience about emotional up and downs. If your child's mental health interferes with social activities, their interests, school homework or family life, it's time to get help. So help your kid, help their little minds. Now the number third is ADHD. It's attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Kids with ADHD may have trouble paying attention and controlling impulsive behavior. Although ADHD cannot be cured, but it can be successfully managed and some symptoms may improve as the children age. Now come towards the symptoms of ADHD. They forget and lose things a lot. They are used to about daydreams. They talk too much. They make careless mistakes and take unnecessary risks. They have a hard time resisting temptations. They feel trouble taking turns. So the treatment of ADHD is go towards the behavioral therapy and medication. Both helps to cure ADHD. Behavior therapy by parents is a first step before medication. Number fourth is autism. Autism spectrum disorder. It's a developmental disability that can cause significant communication, social, and behavioral challenges for kids. There are some solutions of autism. Its first is behavioral therapy. Another one is educational way, showing some blocks and flashcards and different type of puzzles. It can improve their mental health. Third is social development, make them social genius. Other one is psychological treatments. Go towards a consultant and get advices about their psychological treatments. The most important thing for every treatment is parent strong bonding. Number 5, conduct disorder in children. Conduct disorder refer to a group of behavioral and emotional problems characterized by a disregard for others. The symptoms of conduct disorder in children. Children with conduct disorder feel difficulty in following rules. They feel difficulty in behaving in a social acceptable way, like people accept everything normal, and the kids with conduct disorder feel difficulty in doing the normal things. They have destructive behavior. Like destructive behavior mean they wouldn't be able to differentiate between B and D, between P and Q, like they mix up the shapes. It's also called arson and vandalism. Kids also face deceitful behavior such as lying and shoplifting. So come towards the remedy and treatment of conduct disorder. It can be cured by behavioral therapies, educational ways, social development, psychological treatments, and parents' strong bonding. Next one is oppositional defiant disorder. ODD is a type of behavior disorder in which kids are non cooperative, hostile towards peers, parents, teachers, and other authority figures. So, the solution for them is behavioral therapy, speech therapy, parents or guardians strong bonding, and you can also hire a nurse or a caretaker for them, for a permanent caretaker. Phonics learning. Actually, ODD children feel difficulty in speech, phonics, learning, reading. So it can improve by these ways. Seventh and last one is dyslexia. Dyslexia is a learning difficulty that mainly causes problems with reading, writing, and spelling. Late talking, delay in physical abilities like walking, like talking. Kids with dyslexia feels difficulty in learning rhymes, alphabets, and numbers. They have weak memory actually. So the remedy is educational therapy, speech therapy, phonics learning, flashcards,